In today's video, let's talk about how to use Pandora Premium. If you currently have a free account or a plus account of Pandora and you want to subscribe to a premium account, premium platform or the premium plan combines the personalized radio and as well as on-demand streaming with an ad-free experience. If you head over to the upgrade button on the top right of the screen, whether you're now currently on a free plan or a plus plan, you can just click on the get 60 days for free. So you do have the free trial option for 60 days so that you can try out the Pandora Premium. You can see all of the benefits or the features that Premium has from Pandora or even the free plan. You can see the extra feature that the Premium has is you can make and share a playlist inside of Pandora. But if this is not a big feature for you, you can also stick with the plus plan, as this is the only benefit that you get inside of the premium plan. And all of the ad-free experiences as well as on-demand play are also available on the Pandora Plus. So depending upon what you need, you can click on either the Pandora Plus or Pandora Premium if you are currently on a free plan. So that's basically it on the way that you use the Pandora Premium plan. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.